Yes, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about cyber law. What is this is related to the cyber crime? Cyber law in India needs and importance. Introduction to Indian cyber law. So, what is cyber crime? Cyber crime involves criminal activities such as fraud, theft, forgery, and defamation, which are subject to the Indian Penal Code. Indian cyber crime, what is that? Cyber crime, we also say that the computer or electronic devices which is to be used as a subject or object which is to be came in the under of Indian Penal Code IT Act 2000. Okay, in a cyber crime, computer can be either used as a tool or target object or both. The following are the two categories of a cyber laws: computer as a target and computer as a weapon. So what is the difference between these? Computer as a target and computer as a weapon. So computer as a target, so suppose we wanted to hack non-ethically to xyz company's database server. So here the computer use as a target. So what we are going to use, we are going to access that database server. So here the target is your computer. Now next, computer as a weapon. So here the thing is, if you wanted to collapse another person's company non-ethically, so here we can use the concept of email phishing or email flooding concept. So with the help of that, the file server and database server might go down or slow. So thus in the way, this cyber crime which is to be occurred or happen in the day-to-day lives. Need of cyber law. The modern thief, yes, very very important line. The modern thief can steal more with a computer than with a gun. Tomorrow's terrorists may be able to do more damage with a keyboard than with a bomb. So what is this? The modern thief can steal more with a computer than with a gun. Yes, exactly. And tomorrow's terrorists may be able to do more damage with a keyboard than with a bomb. Yes. What is need of cyber law? Internet has dramatically changed the way we think, the way we govern, the way we do commerce, and the way we perceive ourselves. Information technology is encompassing all walks of life all over the world. The cyberspace creates moral, civil, and criminal wrongs. It has now given a new way to express criminal tendencies. Need of cyber law. Cyberspace is open to participation by all. It has brought transition from paper to paperless world. The laws of real world cannot be interpreted in the light of a emerging cyberspace to include all aspects relating to the different activities in a cyberspace. Internet requires an enabling and supportive legal infrastructure in tune with the times. Cyber law. This cyber law is the law governing the cyberspace. What is this? The law only governing the cyberspace. And what is cyberspace? It includes computers, networks, softwares, data storage devices such as hard disks, USB disk, the internet, website, email, and even electronic devices such as cell phone, ATM machine, etc. Now next, cyber law, which deal with cybercrime, electronic or digital signatures, intellectual property, data protection, and privacy. Cybercrime, any crime with the help of computer and telecommunication technology. Yes, we already discussed this thing. Any crime that might be anything that can be performed with the help of computer or any telecommunication technology. Any crime where either the computer which is to be used as a target or subject that can be come under this cybercrime. Categories of cybercrime. We will discuss this thing in a next lecture. Thank you.